Everyone loves to eat, but not everyone loves to cook. Some say that's fun and others dislike it. But there's this girl that has cooked for over 90 hours non-stop, and today she holds a Guinness World Record. She cooked for over 4 days and 4 nights to achieve this, and thousands of people are present to watch her perform this incredible act. And this is where it gets so interesting. Lots of multinational brands came all the way to support and collaborate with her on this journey, and this has brought her into the limelight, making her a national hero and one of the biggest brands in the Nigerian food industry in 2023. And here comes Hilda Baci, a Nigerian cook who embarked on this journey to set a new record for the longest time spent cooking, breaking the previous record of 87 hours held by an Indian chef, Tondon.
This is a challenging record with strict rules that must be followed throughout.
You see, Guinness World Records are created and are meant to be broken, and Hilda just proved that.
Hilda fulfilled all of these rules. I can now announce that with a time of 93 hours and 11 minutes, Hilda Baci is the new holder for the Guinness World Records title for Longest Cooking Marathon. Congratulations, you are officially amazing.
There are several people and even Nigerians that have set Guinness World Record previously. The likes of Odumewu Debbie, a 22-year-old Nigerian lady that broke the Guinness World Record for the longest dance marathon by an individual in 2017. And in 2006, Kathy led a dance group that broke the Guinness World Record for the longest dance party. But with Hilda Baci, there is something different. A heightened level of support and contribution from brands and individuals. And this is because she rode on the current behavioral trend of digital activity to drive home this cause. And this is the key for any disruptive brand. You may not love to cook or stand for long hours, but if you will build a brand that will become #1 in any industry or market, you must do something marginally different or better than the incumbent, and you must ride on the next behavioral trend. With that, you can build a global brand. Go, brand it.